Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming a working internet connection. This lets the iPhone contact Google immediately. Next, make sure you have your full Gmail address and password visible, because entering them from memory wastes time. Open Settings, then tap Mail, or in newer iOS versions, tap Passwords and Accounts. Once done, choose Add Account, select Google. This first step connects the system to Google's sign-in flow, so you can securely add your Gmail ID to Mail and other apps. You now tap Google in the list of account types, which opens the Google sign-in window. Type your full Gmail address, tap Next, and enter the password carefully. The keyboard autocorrect can change characters, so double-check. If you have two-step verification enabled, complete that prompt using your phone, authenticator app, or backup code. Make sure to allow permissions for mail, contacts, calendars, and notes so data syncs. Once done, the iPhone will validate and prepare to sync your Gmail. After Google verifies your credentials, toggle Mail and any other services you want to sync, then tap Save. This finalizes adding the account. Open the Mail app to let it fetch messages. Send yourself a quick test email to confirm outgoing and incoming are working. If Mail does not appear, make sure the password is correct, that two-factor prompts were approved, and that the iPhone is online. If issues persist, remove the account and repeat the sign-in, or restart the phone to clear temporary.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.